Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Update People TV and welcome to another inspiring edition of Spotlight, where we shine the light on influential personalities making waves across Nigeria and even beyond. Today our spotlight is on one of the most talked about pastors in Africa. Can you guess? Please, I need you all to guess. Okay, the man whose viral declaration has become a global anthem, and he says, what God cannot do does not exist. What God cannot do does not exist. Yes, we are talking about none other than Pastor Jerry Eze.
In fact, it was not called NSPPD. It was after a while we say, this thing we are doing, what's the name? Let's put a name to this thing. I didn't know that people can be famous by praying.
Yes.
I didn't know that. I honestly didn't know about it.
If you wanted to be famous, it's not prayer you would choose at that time.
I didn't even let me be honest with you. You see, this thing I do, anybody who knows me knows that that's not me. Coming every morning, it's not me. It's not me. Like, if I'm a very calm, if you see me outside of NSPPD, I seldom talk. I don't say too much. I pick my words. I don't. So people sometimes try to reconcile that guy we see on this thing and you that what do they? So people still believe that when they see me I should jump at them, but when I started going that way, for too long I couldn't watch myself after doing NSPPD. I couldn't watch myself.
You couldn't watch yourself.
I couldn't watch myself. So Jiriwayo, that kind of
Sorry, Jiriwayo in Igbo means take it.
Yes. So but every time I go, something will be pushing me. That thing will be pushing me. I love to see people smile. I love to see people.
Now, as always on Spotlight, we use publicly available information to build these profiles. And if I miss anything or you have credible updates, please kindly drop them in the comments. We are here to learn together. So let's dive straight into it.
I didn't hear you. Can you turn the loud fire? Let me hear you shout fire. Let me hear you turn.
Who is Pastor Jerry Eze? Pastor Jerry Eze is a Nigerian Pentecostal pastor, the founder and lead pastor of Streams of Joy International, and the convener of the Global Digital Prayer Movement, NSPPD, New Season Prophetic Prayers and Declarations. He's widely recognized for pioneering one of the most successful online prayer platforms in the world. Every weekday morning at 7 a.m. Nigerian time, millions of people across different continents tune in live to pray with him. Talk about digital revival in real time.
I'm only trusting God. I'm only vulnerable. I stay awake all through the night. It's not because sleep is not doing me. I like to sleep the way others like to sleep as well. But when I remember you have an assignment for nations, someone is depending on my prayer tomorrow.
Born on August 22, 1982 in Benden local government area of Abia State, Jerry Eze is someone who did not grow up with a silver spoon. In many of his messages, he often talks about being raised by a single mother under very humble circumstances. From struggling beginnings, he grew to become a globally recognized minister and faith leader. Today, he's happily married, a father, a conference speaker, an author, and notably one of the most influential religious digital creators in Africa. His slogan, "What God cannot do does not exist," has become not just a statement, but a movement of faith across continents. Again, everything I'm sharing here is based on information available in the public domain. If anything sounds different from what you know, please correct me lovingly in the comments. We'll learn together here. Next question. What is NSPPD prayer? The NSPPD Prayer Conference, also famously known as NSPPD, stands for New Season Prophetic Prayers and Declarations.
Today morning, after NSPPD Prayer Conference in Lagos, we got on a flight. And as soon as we got on the flight, coming back, before we even took off, the air hostess I just requested to see the pilot. And I saw the pilot. The air hostess walked up to me and he said, Papa, you're not comfortable. I said, my spirit is not accepting this pilot. And he said, no, sir. What? I said, no problem. Let's go. And then, of course, everybody was tired and knackered. So, but for some reason, the Spirit of God said, begin to pray. And I kept praying. I didn't sleep. Everybody. So I wasn't sleeping. Pastor Sarah was on the flight with us. She was talking with her sister. And we're praying. Just about the time we're trying to land, everything went haywire. If you saw the picture of the plane, all the tires. I'm a frequent flyer, so I know what I'm talking about. We're moving from, and the Lord said to me, my PA is a witness. During the week, I have continued to tell my PA, I don't know why, I'm sensing this in my spirit. People of God, left, right. Next thing we heard was, Boa! They said it's hard landing. They say it's crash landing. They said whatever it is. But sure, when we came out of the plane, we found out that all the tires of the plane had busted. But every one of us came out, nothing missing, nothing broken. Jezebel, let me inform you, you will not make my life like the Omakapatu Karasa.
But more than just a conference, NSPPD is a global prayer movement. The daily online session sits on YouTube and Facebook, and it has grown to become one of the largest online prayer gatherings in the world. Picture millions of believers from various denominations, Catholics, Pentecostals, Methodists, and even people who may not attend church physically, all plugged in online, praying earnestly, sharing testimonies, crying, praising, hoping, and expecting divine intervention. NSPPD events and conferences globally, from London to the United States, Canada, Dubai, and across Africa, consistently record massive turnouts. Reports and viral videos show stadiums filled beyond capacity just to pray. Led by Pastor Jerry Eze and his prayer team, the sessions are filled with worship, intense prayer, declarations, and prophetic moments where people testify of healing, breakthroughs, and miracles. Many call it digital revival. Others call it the church of the future happening now. Third question, and this one always sparks conversations. How much does Pastor Jerry Eze make from YouTube? According to several public reports, Pastor Jerry Eze reportedly earns over 7 million naira daily from his YouTube channel on peak days during high viewership prayer sessions. This amount has been reported to reach up to 21 million naira daily. Additional reports estimate that his total YouTube earnings may have surpassed 10 billion naira since the NSPPD began gaining global traction. Now, those figures are sourced from news articles, YouTube analytics and estimates, and multiple public commentaries on social platforms. Pastor Jerry himself has not publicly confirmed these numbers, but what is clear is this: he's regarded as one of the highest earning YouTube faith creators in Nigeria and possibly the world. Whether you follow him for ministry or digital inspiration, one thing cannot be denied. Pastor Jerry Eze changed the game for online ministry. He proved that the gospel and technology can meet on one platform and transform lives. If you're watching this and you follow NSPPD, drop a fire emoji in the comments. Next question: which university did Pastor Jerry Eze attend? Pastor Jerry Eze attended Ibeko High School in Umuahia from 1991 to 1997. After secondary school, he gained admission to Abia State University, where he studied history and international relations, earning his bachelor's degree. Not stopping there, he went further and obtained a postgraduate degree in business administration from the Enugu State University of Science and Technology, ESUT. So yes, before ministry and global digital breakthrough, he had a formal academic foundation, proof that preparation meets destiny. Everything here again is pulled from publicly available records. If you schooled with him or know more accurate timeline details, share in the comments. Next question. Who is the wife of Pastor Jerry Eze? Pastor Jerry Eze is married to Dr. Jerry Eze, a human resource professional, leadership coach, author, and advocate for governance, inclusion, and empowerment. She is well known for championing public sector reforms, women empowerment, and developing young adults, especially those who may not even be active in church spaces. She also serves as an associate pastor at Streams of Joy International and co-leads various ministry and developmental programs with her husband. Dr. is not just a pastor's wife. She's a powerhouse in her own right. Anyone who follows her knows she has a calm but strong leadership personality, and she inspires many women across the globe.
I pray for you this week. It will be a week of laughter, a week of joy, a week of good news. If your amen will be the loudest, your ears will hear only good news. Nothing will go wrong. What you are afraid of will not happen. Can you stretch your hands towards me? I pray that the Lord will give you your own. You will not labor in vain. Little effort will produce great results. Your hands will be full. You will carry the wealth of nations. The person with the loudest amen, even today, let the alerts begin to drop. I decree it is done.
And finally, how many biological children does Pastor Jerry Eze have? Pastor Jerry Eze and his wife, Dr. Jerry, are blessed with 2 children, a daughter named Samara and a son named Jerry. They often appear occasionally in family ministry content, and from all public indications, they seem like a very closely knit and happy family. Pastor Jerry often remarks how grateful he is for his home, and his testimony of family life continues to inspire many. As always, public information. If you know more, kindly inform us in the comments section respectfully. So, that's our spotlight profile on Pastor Jerry Eze, a pastor, visionary, digital revivalist, and one of the most influential Nigerian ministers today. From humble beginnings in Abia State to pastoring a global digital congregation, his journey is a powerful reminder that purpose plus technology can change the world. Let me know, do you follow NSPPD? Have you experienced miracles or life-changing moments during the prayer sessions? Do you think more pastors should take ministry fully digital? Drop your comments and let's talk below. If you enjoyed this spotlight feature on Update People TV, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring profiles just like this one. Until next time, this is Spotlight on Update People TV. Stay informed, stay inspired, and always stay blessed.